Tesla app connection errors can stem from Wi-Fi, cellular, or VPN issues. These errors prevent you from remotely controlling your Tesla, viewing diagnostics, or receiving software updates. We'll cover common causes and troubleshooting steps to get you back online. Connection errors are a top user complaint, with a 15 to 20% uptick in app-related support tickets since the rollout of FSD Supervised V2 in mid-2025. These issues often occur due to a need for stable connections for real-time data streaming. Keep in mind the app's connectivity relies on a hybrid model: local Wi-Fi for in-car pairing, cellular for remote commands, and VPN for secure tunneling. The Tesla app connects to your car's infotainment system via a 2.456 GHz Wi-Fi hotspot. To establish this connection, ensure your car is in ready-to-drive mode and the app is actively scanning for the car's SSID. Common errors that prevent Wi-Fi connection include IP address conflicts between devices, firewall settings blocking the app, or an outdated operating system on your phone. First, restart both your phone and the car's infotainment system. Power off your phone completely, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Similarly, restart the car's touchscreen by holding the power button. Then, verify your Wi-Fi password. The Tesla hotspot password is typically found in your car's touchscreen under Controls, Software, Wi-Fi. Ensure you're entering the correct password without typos. Next, ensure no firewall or antivirus software on your phone is blocking the connection. Temporarily disable any security software and try connecting again. Finally, try forgetting the network on your phone. Go to Wi-Fi settings, find the Tesla hotspot, tap Forget this network, then search for and reconnect to it. The Tesla app uses cellular data for remote features like unlocking doors and adjusting climate control. It leverages Tesla's global network of servers for these features. If you're experiencing cellular connection problems, first check your phone's data connection. Ensure you have sufficient data and a strong signal. In the Tesla app, verify that mobile access is enabled under Settings, Connectivity. Try toggling airplane mode on and off on your phone. Tesla uses a proprietary VPN for secure remote access, encrypting data to prevent interception. This VPN creates an encrypted tunnel between your phone and Tesla's servers, protecting your commands from hackers, ISPs, and governments. VPN issues can arise from ISP restrictions, conflicts with third-party VPN apps like NordVPN blocking Tesla's ports, or Tesla's server-side authentication failures. If you're using a third-party VPN, try disabling it to see if it resolves the issue. Ensure your Tesla app and phone are updated to the latest versions. Some users have found success with VPN-compatible routers. Particularly in rural areas, firmware patches from Tesla support can help. If basic troubleshooting steps fail, begin with resetting your phone's network settings. This action clears all saved Wi-Fi passwords, VPN configurations, and cellular data settings, which can resolve persistent connection conflicts. Next, ensure your Tesla's software is fully up to date. Tesla regularly releases updates that address connectivity issues, improve VPN stability, and optimize network performance. The branching diagram shows how code flows from development through testing to final release. If the issue persists after these steps, contact Tesla support directly. Provide any diagnostic codes displayed in the app, as these help support technicians identify the specific connectivity problem and provide targeted solutions. Finally, check your Tesla account dashboard to ensure your vehicle is online and properly connected to Tesla's network. The dashboard shows real-time connection status and can help confirm if the issue is with your local setup or the vehicle's connectivity. In a rural VPN case study, a Model Y owner in Montana encountered persistent VPN connection errors caused by their ISP throttling data speeds. The solution involved switching to a VPN-compatible router that supports Tesla's secure tunneling protocols and updating the Tesla app to the latest version. Tesla support also provided a firmware patch specifically for rural network diagnostics, stabilizing the connection. For Wi-Fi hotspot failures, a Model S owner in New York City faced connection drops while using full self-driving features. The root cause was interference from nearby 6 GHz devices sharing the same frequency band. The fix involved relocating the vehicle to a less crowded area and enabling the Wi-Fi Assist feature in the Tesla app, which automatically optimizes hotspot settings for better stability. During the cellular outage caused by Hurricane Zeta in October 2025, multiple Tesla owners in Florida lost cellular connectivity due to storm-related network disruptions. Tesla responded by issuing emergency app alerts and automatically switching to cached commands for basic functions. Owners further mitigated the impact by using backup Wi-Fi hotspots to maintain app connectivity during the outage. Experts from sites like Ars Technica and Electrek note that Tesla's app is generally robust, but not foolproof, with connectivity errors often user-induced through misconfigured firewalls. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has tweeted about prioritizing app stability in recent updates, stating that they're making remote features as reliable as local controls. Statistics from App Store reviews show an average rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars, with connection issues cited in only 15% of negative reviews, down from 25% in previous years. User forums report a 70% resolution rate through community tips, emphasizing the importance of fundamentals like software updates. Remember, proactive troubleshooting can significantly reduce connectivity problems from about 10% of daily users to less than 5%. The future of Tesla app connectivity points towards increased integration with the Tesla ecosystem and third-party services, allowing seamless connections to platforms like Spotify and Alexa. The adoption of 5G and Wi-Fi 7 technologies will further reduce latency, enabling faster and more reliable connections for real-time features. Tesla's roadmap emphasizes AI-enhanced troubleshooting, where the app can predict and resolve connectivity issues before they affect users. Expect fully autonomous app features with minimal user intervention, handling tasks like software updates and diagnostics automatically. Reduced reliance on cellular data through satellite integration, expanding on Starlink partnerships for global coverage. Cybersecurity remains a challenge. Using public Wi-Fi for sensitive actions should be avoided to prevent risks like man-in-the-middle attacks.